Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can enable and disable name drop on iPhone. So what is name drop is basically name drop. If your name drop is enabled, whenever you put two iPhones on top of each other like this, your contact will be automatically exchanged. So let's say you don't want this feature to be turned on because by mistake you're going to share your information with other, then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you so you guys can enable and disable it. So if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing, to enable and disable it, you want to open your iPhone setting. And once you open your iPhone setting, you want to go inside where it says General. Now once you're inside General, the option where it says AirDrop, you want to click on AirDrop. Now once you click on AirDrop, inside AirDrop at the bottom where it says Bringing Device Together. So mine right now is on, so I have enabled it because I like name drop. But if you don't like it, just make sure to turn this option off. And if it is off, then your name drop is disabled. But that is basically how you guys can enable and disable name drop on iPhone. And remember, name drop is only available for iOS above 17. So if you have iOS below 17, you're not going to have this feature. So don't worry about it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.